Alright, so hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a list template on ClickUp. First of all, just open your ClickUp account and go to your space where you want to create a list template and just click on this plus icon. Now, if you haven't created a list yet, just click on this plus icon and just click on list. Give it a name, list template, just click on create. Now, I've already created a template. Sorry, I've already created a list before. So I'm going to select this one. Just click on these three dots, and here, as you can see, this option templates, and here just click on save as template. Alright, here give it a name, my list template. Alright, here you can add descriptions, tags. If you want to invite someone, you can select here. Now, by enabling this option, this will be public. If you want to keep it private, just disable this option. Alright. You can also customize imported items like due date, start date, followers, tags, priority. Alright, I'm going to select import everything. Just click on save template. And as you can see, the template is created. Now, if you want to import it, just click on this plus icon. From here, click on list. Alright, here select use templates. And as you can see, here's the template created by me. You can also here select, if you have too many templates, just click on this created by and select you. And you will see all the templates created by you. So as you can see, I'm going to click on this one. Just click on use template and you will be good to go. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.